The Importance of Family. A touching story about love, care, and togetherness. Family is one of the most beautiful gifts in life. It gives us love, care, and support that we cannot find anywhere else. Family is the place where our story begins, and where we always find a home, no matter where we go. When we are children, our family is our world. Our parents teach us how to walk, how to talk, and how to dream. They take care of us when we are sick and smile when we are happy. A mother's hug or a father's kind words can make any day better. As we grow up, we sometimes forget how important our family is. We get busy with school, work, and friends. We spend more time on our phones than talking to the people who love us the most. But when something bad happens, when we are sad, tired, or lost, it is always our family that comes to help. A real family does not mean only people who live in the same house. It means people who truly care for each other. It can be parents, brothers, sisters, grandparents, or even close friends who feel like family. What makes a family strong is love, understanding, and forgiveness. Sometimes families argue or disagree. No one is perfect, and every family has problems. But the love inside a family is stronger than any fight. When we learn to say, "I'm sorry," and "I forgive you," we make our family bond stronger. Forgiveness is what keeps a family together. In many parts of the world, family traditions are important. Some families eat dinner together every night. Others gather on weekends, tell stories, and laugh. These small moments create big memories that stay with us forever. When we look back, we remember the meals, the laughter, and the feeling of belonging. Family also teaches us important values: respect, kindness, patience, and honesty. These lessons help us become better people in society. When we respect our parents, help our siblings, and listen to our elders, we build a strong foundation for our life. There are people who live far from their families. Maybe they study or work in another city or country. They miss home, the sound of their mother's voice, or the smell of food cooked with love. Technology helps us stay connected, but nothing can replace a warm family hug. Family is not about being rich or poor. It is about being together, helping each other in good and bad times. A simple family meal, a walk together, or just sitting and talking. These things have more value than any money or gift. We should never take our family for granted. One day, we might not have the chance to say thank you or I love you. So we must show our love while we still can. Call your parents, visit your grandparents, play with your little brother or sister. Because one day, these moments will become your most precious memories. Family gives us strength when life gets hard. When we fall, they lift us up. When we doubt ourselves, they remind us of our worth. And when we succeed, they are the first ones to celebrate with us. At the end of the day, family is not just about blood. It's about love, care, and togetherness. It's the people who make you feel safe, understood, and loved. Without family, the world would feel empty and cold. So take a moment to think about your family. Be thankful for their presence in your life. No matter how far you go or what you achieve, always keep your family close to your heart, because they are your true home.